guys, this is Rich. I'm in Tonopah, something like that, Nevada. And the wind is blowing today about 40 miles an hour. I've been fighting the wind now for about the last 500 miles, so getting used to it, I guess. Supposed to be about 74 degrees here today. It feels like about 55 degrees, so could be a lot warmer. Hopefully as we head farther south into Las Vegas tomorrow, it'll be much warmer and less wind. So staying here at the Best Western, pretty nice room. Had to carry all the gear up 2 flights of levels, though they don't have an elevator apparently. So I'll be checking in with you, and as you can see, that I'll show some video of me fighting the wind there. So take care, and I'll see you down the road.